Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn about the from creation function. It accepts a single argument that can be an array, observable, promise, or iterator and convert them into an observable. It can emit values both synchronously and asynchronously. Let's understand it better using examples. I've created the JavaScript file called as the from observable and I've referred to the same from our index.html file. Okay, we'll close it now. And this is our web app. Let's do a refresh. Nothing yet. We'll start by importing the from function from the RxJS library. Const from RxJS and let's import from. Next, let's create an observable using from that will accept an array as an argument. We'll name it as user IDs followed by the dollar symbol. Then add an array with numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hope you remember what was the behavior when we tried to pass an array as an argument to the of creation function. It emitted it as it is without flattening, right? Let's see the behavior with the from creation function. Let's create an observer. Now the next we'll just lock the value followed by the complete notification. It accepts no values. We'll just log that. It's done. So we have observable, the observer. What we need is the subscription mechanism. Let's have user ID dot subscribe to the observer. Hit save and let's refresh our browser. As you can see in the log, the items in the array are emitted as next notification followed by the complete notification. These values are emitted synchronously. To confirm that, let's add a log statement beneath the subscribe method. Console.log. Just have a dummy string. Hit save. And you can see that first are the items from the array, then the complete notification, and finally our log statement. Now let's try an async value. Okay. For now, I'll just comment this, save it, and so our log is clear here, except for our log statement. Let's create a function that will return a promise and we'll make use of set timeout here. Return set timeout, which will resolve the value after 3 seconds. Let's just have the number 1. Hit save. Let's create the observable. We'll call it as delay and use from, pass in the function invocation. Next is the subscription mechanism. We'll make use of the same observer, call it as delay.subscribe and then pass the observer. Hit save. So we see the log statement first and after a while we'll see the next notification followed by the complete notification. Let's view that again. We see the log statement for some seconds, then we see the next notification followed by the complete notification, which means that the from creation function can emit values asynchronously as well. To summarize, the from creation function in RxJS is mostly used to convert an array, promise, observable, or iterable into an observable, and it can emit the values both synchronously and asynchronously. That's all for this video. In the next one, we'll learn about timer and interval creation function. Until then, happy coding.